Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, June 14th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. This is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to remind everyone that tonight and every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have our live company webinar. This is a great chance for you to meet the owners, the corporate team. You can get a tour of the facility and ask any questions that you might have regarding gotbackup. So if you're on the fence about joining gotbackup, or if you haven't seen gotbackup yet and you want to learn more about it, this is the place you want to be. You can just go to gotbackupwebinar.com. It'll take you over to our webinar site. People start showing up to the webinar around 7:30ish. We chat in the chat box for a little bit, and then they start promptly at 8 p.m. So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in any of my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. And I also appreciate all of you who watch my videos consistently. So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.